We joined Dory in January of 2017 is when we started, and we have two locations, very busy med spas with a private plastic surgical practice and a surgery center. And we were very busy in the spas and just not really bringing a lot of profit to the bottom line. And so over the past several years, we have just rocked it every year. And we, as well as Madeline, were on our way to an unbelievable upswing here. So as soon as this happened, I think it was 24 hours, 36 hours later, Dory was on the phone with everyone, and we just started this whole process. And we also, for the med spas, we are profitable since this all started. It's been wonderful to see the team members that have supported with us and really helped out to increase their visibility and increasing their time with their clients. They've been speaking with their clients personally through emails and phone calls and that, and it's been a wonderful, wonderful thing.
I've had a lot of things on my mind that I've wanted to do, but with the day-to-day, it's been tough. And with this downtime and with Dory constantly being, like, I hear her in my sleep. You need to do this, you need to do that. I've taken all these webinars and then I've done these brain dumps afterwards on my notebook and just go to work because what she says, it works. And we've really taken a team and we've made our team a family. We're closer now than we've ever been. Everybody is bought in and they're doing great. We're doing online consultations and we're selling prepaid packages and lots of retail. So it's been really encouraging, even, with everything going on in the world, that we can still make a difference.
What Donna did was go to the spa, take all of the products and the postage meter, and she turned her dining room into,
as you can see right now. Look at all her ZO products.
We really didn't lose a day with product shipments and things like that, which that in itself is just great to keep the revenue coming in. And it's been a wonderful, wonderful thing.